You might not be familiar with the term Labubu dolls. This video was created based on a request from one of my young viewers who mentioned that these dolls are trending heavily. They wanted me to cover this topic. What are Labubu dolls? In Britain, America, and European countries, a new toy trend has taken over. Labubu dolls. These dolls have distinct, large, wide eyes and protruding teeth, 9 teeth to be exact. They're small, cute, and artistically designed, coming in various colors and styles. The trend has become so massive that people line up to buy new releases and collect them in hundreds or even thousands, proudly showcasing their collections. The mysterious stories surrounding them. Some bizarre claims have surfaced about these dolls. People have reported seeing shadowy figures in their yards after bringing the doll home, hearing strange noises, finding unexplained scratches on beds and furniture that match the doll's teeth and fingers. A quick Google or YouTube search will reveal many such personal stories. So, I decided to dig deeper. The origin of Labubu dolls. In 2015, a Hong Kong-based artist named Ka-Sing Leung created a comic book featuring unique cartoon characters. One of these characters was later named Labubu. Initially, nothing major came of it until a Chinese company, Mart, turned the character into a physical doll, releasing multiple variations. At first, it was just another collectible toy, similar to action figures of Spider-Man or other comic characters. But things changed when a major pop star was spotted with a tiny Labubu keychain on Instagram. This wasn't a paid promotion, just an organic sighting. Soon after, other celebrities, fashion icons, and even David Beckham were seen with these dolls. The trend exploded, with people lining up to buy them like the latest iPhone. The marketing genius behind the hype. Mart used psychological marketing tactics, including mystery boxes, selling dolls in sealed boxes so buyers wouldn't know which one they'd get. Limited editions, claiming that every 72nd or 77th doll had a special mystery feature. This created a dopamine-driven frenzy. Buyers kept purchasing more, hoping to get rare or special editions. Are they haunted or linked to the supernatural? After researching, I found no credible evidence linking these dolls to black magic, demons, or paranormal activity. Most stories seem to be exaggerated or imagined. While Labubu dolls are just another toy trend, the real lesson here is marketing brilliance. A simple idea, when executed well, can become a global phenomenon, making its creators millions. However, I advise caution. Don't let kids, or yourself, become obsessed with collecting them mindlessly. Treat them as just toys, nothing more. Avoid falling for superstitions or myths surrounding them. At the end of the day, Mart's owner made a fortune. His company's shares skyrocketed 500x after celebrity endorsements. So, if you have a great idea, even from a small corner of the world, you can make it big. Thank you.